So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue of cannot connect to App Store on any iPhone that you have. Now in order to fix that, all you need to do is to just simply open the settings of your iPhone. In the settings, simply go to general, and here in the general, when you scroll down, you'll see this option of date and time right there. Just simply go over there and make sure it's set to automatically. But if it's still not working and you cannot access the date and time settings, just simply come back and go to screen time, and here you'll see this option of content and privacy restrictions. Just simply turn this option off. Now it will ask you to enter your screen passcode. Simply do that. Now again come back, go to time settings. Again in the general, go to date and time right there, and again all you need to do is to just simply make sure that your time zone is selected as per your current location, and again if you restart your iPhone, you'll easily able to access the App Store. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.